In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a viral doll edit in a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to create a fun edit for your social media or just want to explore your creative side, this tutorial is designed to be both easy to follow and enjoyable. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll need to type ChatGPT into the search bar. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that's going to assist us in crafting this viral doll edit. After typing in ChatGPT, hit enter and you'll see the search results pop up. Look for the link to the official ChatGPT website and give it a click. It should be right there among the top results. Once you've landed on the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a plus sign button somewhere on the page. This is the button you'll use to upload your photo, which is a crucial step in making your doll edit. Locate that button and click on it. This will prompt you to choose an image from your device, so make sure you have a picture ready that you'd like to transform into your viral doll edit. Once your image is successfully uploaded, the next task is to type in a prompt. This is where the magic happens. Your prompt will guide ChatGPT in understanding what kind of edit you're aiming for. You could type something like, "Turn this photo into a cute, doll-like version." It's important to be creative and specific with your prompt to get the best possible outcome. Once you've finished typing in your prompt, the last thing you need to do is click the Submit button. This tells ChatGPT that it's time to start working its magic. Give it a moment to process your request, and shortly after, your image will be transformed into a beautiful doll edit. You'll be presented with the final product on your screen, ready for you to admire or share with friends and followers. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a little creativity, you've created your very own viral doll edit. It's amazing how technology can elevate our creativity and make the process both fun and accessible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Now, it's your turn to play around with different images and prompts to see what unique doll edits you can come up with. Don't forget to share your creations and maybe inspire others to make their own edits. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing edits you create.